The wait is finally over. The GoPro Max 2 is officially here. This isn't just any action camera. It's a powerhouse that combines high-resolution hero footage with full 360-degree capture, advanced stabilization, crystal-clear audio, and a rugged, waterproof design. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or extreme sports enthusiast, the Max 2 promises to take your content to a whole new level. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the GoPro Max 2, from its upgraded lenses and immersive 360 capabilities to smarter software features and longer battery life. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see why this could be the ultimate camera for creators who want versatility, professional-grade quality, and complete creative freedom. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The GoPro Max 2 has officially been confirmed, and for action camera enthusiasts, vloggers, and professional filmmakers, this announcement marks a significant upgrade in the world of immersive capture technology. GoPro has consistently been at the forefront of action camera innovation, and the Max series has long been celebrated for pushing the boundaries of what is possible in 360-degree filming and virtual reality content. The Max 2 promises to bring a host of improvements over its predecessor, including enhanced image quality, better stabilization, smarter software features, and a more refined design aimed at both casual users and professional content creators alike. One of the key highlights of the GoPro Max 2 is its dual-lens 360-degree capture capability. The camera allows users to film in full spherical video, giving creators the freedom to reframe shots during editing and create dynamic content that was previously difficult to achieve with traditional cameras. The upgraded lenses on the Max 2 reportedly offer better low-light performance and sharper image clarity, ensuring that every detail is captured, whether you're filming a high-speed mountain bike ride or an underwater adventure. This makes the Max 2 not only a powerful tool for action sports, but also a versatile camera for travel vloggers, documentary filmmakers, and social media creators who want to experiment with immersive storytelling. Stabilization has always been a cornerstone of GoPro's camera design, and the Max 2 takes it to the next level. Featuring an upgraded hyper-smooth technology, the camera provides buttery smooth footage even in the most chaotic and high-motion scenarios. Whether you're running, biking, skiing, or filming from a moving vehicle, the stabilization system ensures that the footage remains stable and professional grade. This is particularly beneficial for creators who need high-quality footage without relying heavily on external gimbals or post-production stabilization software. Battery life is another area where the Max 2 has seen improvements. GoPro has designed the camera with more efficient power management, allowing creators to capture extended periods of footage without interruption. For long adventures or continuous shooting sessions, this extended battery performance is crucial. Additionally, the camera includes fast charging capabilities, so you can quickly top up the battery and get back to filming without significant downtime. For creators who shoot for hours at a time, this is a significant convenience. The Max 2 also introduces enhanced audio recording capabilities. Audio is an often overlooked but critical component of content creation, and GoPro has focused on delivering superior sound quality with its multi-microphone array. This system minimizes wind noise, captures directional sound, and ensures that voices and environmental sounds are clear and crisp. Whether you're recording dialogue during an interview, capturing the roar of an engine, or ambient sounds of nature, the Max 2's audio